roasted corn. Wonderful! Okay, let's try this. Come on, come on. Nope. Wait, what did you find? Oh, pebbles! Almost ready! So delicious! So sweet! This is the last of the corn.
Great! I can already smell the roasting. Let's get cozy by the fire.
Good night, friend.
Roasted corn!
Almost. So good!
Sweet! Hard work, good meal.
Yes.
host a Golden Corn Festival.
What's wrong with the corn plants? They grew so fast.
Yeah! Nice job, partner!
Wow.
So much corn! Whoa, look at that! It really worked!
It's huge. Let's go drive it.
Let's go, tractor! This corn is delicious!
Thank you, Kikon.
Try some more delicious corn treats, everyone!
Step right up, step right up. Who can hit the big orange target? Grab your corn and show us what you've got.
Quick, use the stick. Push it left. Now, right.
Got it! That was close.
Let's all lance!
Wow, look at all the treats, Milkon.
And check out that maze. Oh, Kikon, it looks amazing. Let's go.
Oh, look at the little corn dancers go. They are so good at spinning. Look at this one.
Oh no! What's wrong with the corn plants? The plants need water!
Whoa. So my corn.
Let's go, tractor.
Go, tractor! Go, tractor! Go!
Hey, Bear, want some popcorn?
This corn is so delicious.
Thank you. At @SayR_1.
Wow, look at them dance.
Go is really good at twirling.
Come on, let's join the fun.
Caring for plants is so much fun. Goodbye, everyone.
We're here!
we'll organize a Golden Corn Festival.
Oh no! What's wrong with these corn plants? Whoa! So much corn! Let's go, tractor!
The corn is delicious!
Thank you, Kiki. Taking care of plants is so much fun! Look, the trail is getting brighter.
What could be waiting for us?
It's so pretty. It looks just like the feather. A forest fairy. Hello. Don't be scared.
We're friends.
Look at these. They're magical.
These are like corn seeds, but enchanted.
Enchanted corn. Oh no, they're wilting. We can help you.
We're very good at growing things.
A new planting adventure.
Let's go! Here, try this. Wow, it's working! Look how green they are!
Perfect. All the dishes are set for the festival.
It looks so yummy, Kikon.
Thank you, Monkey.
Corn is delicious!
This festival is truly memorable.
Taking care of plants is so much fun! Kids, try drawing your favorite corn dish. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's washed away.
I have an idea.
Malcolm, quick, we gotta go. The biggest banana tree is ripe.
Really? Let's get the tractor and go. Let's go, friend. Look at that!
It's absolutely perfect.
It's too heavy. We can't move it.
I'm beat. Can you guys give us a hand?
Of course.
Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends.
You're welcome. We are friends. We finally have a place to call home. Thank you.
It looks amazing, doesn't it?
Thank you, friends.
You're welcome. We're friends.
Wow, look at those colors. It's beautiful. Come on, friend.
The next village needs corn. Can you two help me?
Let's go. slippery.
All right, hop in. Time to roll.
Ready when you are.
Come on, little tractor. We made it!
Move it, sheep!
Wait, we need that corn for the harvest festival. Meow. What are you doing?
You're so smart!
What a fun trip! Little friends, try drawing the corn tractor and show it to your parents.
Meow.
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.